Hello, my name is Sheridan Ingram and I'm with Intellius, and today we're going to talk about replication sets, the basics. So first things first, to navigate to this screen, we're going to want to go to the Administration Console module, then the Replication tab, and click on that. For more information about this page and some of the other tabs you see up here, please look at our Replication Sets Navigation Overview video. Today we're going to look at the Maintain tab, as we're going to create a replication set so that we can get familiar with that process. Once we click Create, we're going to have to define a replication set name. We also need to select an export format. We can select JSON, CSV, XML, or columnar. JSON is our most common. We need to select a schema destination, so data catalog or SFTP. Here we're going to select FTP. We have 4 different data destinations: IMS or Infor messaging systems, data lake, FTP, or local. We're also going to select FTP. These are the most common setups for FTP. In this lower tab down here on the details section, there are some more advanced features, but we can also add a service and a description. Once we save this replication set, you can see that the Business Classes tab is no longer grayed out. So here we can navigate to this tab to be able to add a business class. We're going to click Create, and that will take us to that page. Under Business Classes, we're going to search for the Employee tab using the magnifying glass. Here we can type in Employee and select the Employee business class. The Replicate class needs to be a unique identifier. I typically use the replication set name, which is replication set _SI, and then underscore the business class. On this page, we have, again, some more advanced features. A few that I want to call out is disable incremental replication. If this is selected, it will be a full file, so it will replicate all of the records. If this is unselected, it will only replicate the data that has been updated or added since the last run date. Another good feature to call out is the data to extract. Currently it's set to our current data, but we can also extract audit log entries, future effective entries, or audit and future effective entries. Once we have this set up, we can save it. And then we can add a filter to our replication set. So here I'm going to restrict the employees to be less than 15,000. This will restrict the employee ID to be less than 15,000. Here under our fields, we can see a couple of key fields have already been added. Those are automatically added based on the business class. But we can add some additional fields using this little page icon. Here we can type in a field if you already know the name of the field, and then we give it a replication name. Then we save that, or we can use the magnifying glass, which will open up a page that you can search on. So here we could search for name. This plus sign will open a drop-down menu, and then we can double-click to select the field. Now that this has been saved, we can go back to our replication class set. Here we can see that all schema have not been registered, or the replication set structure has changed since last registration. This is an error that is displaying. It's also displaying here with this red exclamation point. It's just stating that a schema registration is required. So to register this replication set, we can click on the 3 dots over here and then register all schema. Once that is complete, then we can hit replicate. We want this to only run once, but you can also set this up to run on a schedule and then hit OK to begin replication. If we refresh this page, we can see that replication is in progress now, as well as shown with this yellow triangle. Once this completes, then the data will be available on the SFTP or FTP server. That's all for today. Thank you for your time.